Incoming device is a Samsung Galaxy S7 golden color. Rear camera does not appear to crack. The back glass does not appear to have any cracks spanning through it. Taking a look at the bottom device, it does look like the headphone jack is around the charging port. It's a little bit loose. Charging goes intermittent depending on where you position the charger. So it's 0.0 amperes now. But if we center it and position the port, it's in and out depending on the positioning of the charger on this device. But it's 52% is AT T device, power button, volume button, home button. On both buttons, the menu buttons work. The rear camera and front camera are both showing a clear image, and the front of the device does not appear to have any cracks on it. But we did quote the customer requested that we do a change on the battery for this one. We quoted $89.99 for the labor, and we're using the customer's part.